Everyone expects everything to happen in one day. Good things take time. Shout out to CZ for dropping, pretty much common sense that everyone should know, but majority of the people don't really realize that. Over the last, I would say, 24 hours, everything in terms of, the comments that are coming in from, people that are part of the crypto industry. And again, there's 50-50, right? There's people that actually understand that, the good things do take time. And there's ones that just want instant, like a gratification, instant just explosion, instant crypto this, crypto that, to the moon, XRP reaching all-time highs, Bitcoin reaching all-time highs, but that does not happen in life. We need to understand where XRP currently is, where crypto is in general. We're going to talk about what's happening right now with the price and what we could be expecting going further into this week. Before we do that, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you have not subscribed right now, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. But yeah, looking across the board, I'm sure at this point you guys know that we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback for the broader market. As far as XRP's price is concerned, going into Tuesday morning right now, $3.05, down 2.2% in USD, down 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Valuation is at about 176.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $16.5 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, Gary Gensler has lost his, great government official checkmark. A new era has begun. And here we have it. Gary Gensler is gone, long gone. And we are seeing a complete shift happening for, the crypto. And I shouldn't say crypto. We're seeing a complete reshift for the SEC where crypto this time around is going to be treated fairly. And, this is a huge moment. We're seeing a revolutionary moment right in front of us. Things that are happening right now for crypto as a whole, has never happened in the history of crypto. And once you really grasp onto that, you really understand, how the next few years are really going to look like for the entire crypto markets. But let's move forward. Let's take a look at this. Our Ripple sign has been spotted at the World Economic Forum starting today in Davos, Switzerland. And again, this is just going to become a norm, moving further into the future. You're going to see Ripple, logo everywhere. And I think, once that lawsuit is over, we even see Ripple going public. And, again, we've heard about the IPO pretty much since 2018 even. We go back to 2018, 2019, before the SEC lawsuit even came about. We've been hearing about an IPO for Ripple. So could that really become a reality this time around? For sure, because Donald Trump administration, of course, is in play, and you do see crypto becoming US becoming a global hub for cryptocurrency adoption. And of course, innovation. Again, never say never to that. And moving forward, look at this. Shout out to Crypto Inside UK. Pretty much, says it perfectly. Bitcoin is sitting at $100,000 plus, XRP is sitting at $3 plus, and people are genuinely flooding and panicking. And I cannot stress this enough. Even me as a content creator, I see it firsthand. People are like, XRP is garbage, Bitcoin is this, Bitcoin is that, nothing's happening. But go back. Let's kind of shift back. Where was that price of XRP 3 months ago? And what if I told you told these exact same people that are flooding right now back then, that XRP is going to reach $3, they would have been laughing. They would have been calling, whoever's calling that the price of XRP is going to reach these valuations of price would have been laughing. And here we are. And yet they're flooding. Nothing's going to happen overnight. Nothing's going to happen overnight. Good things, like CZ says, take time. And yet you're still looking at XRP in terms of the price of the token itself, pretty much on the verge of breaking towards new all-time highs. You can see I'm seeing top calls come in all over the place. My position hasn't changed. Ignore the noise. Stay cold. And as far as my personal strategy and my position, as well as my overall take on the crypto market, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I think we're going higher for the year of 2025. And I think it's going to be an amazing, amazing year, which not a lot of people are realizing. But again, at the end of the day, this is my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. Moving forward, look at this. The XRP guy says, we are now at phase 2 of XRP rise to dominance. Could not agree more. RLUSD is released. Big thing, big check mark. Trump inauguration, done. Gary Gensler leaves SEC, done. Ripple case ends. Altcoin season, and according to him, Ripple case ends next. Altcoin season starts. Ripple name big banks partnerships XRP ETF approval. And again, a great timeline in my opinion in terms of the prediction itself. Um, you know, think about it. Ripple case ends next. Do we really think this could be a reality? I think so. Remember the dates, for that specific lawsuit. And speaking about that lawsuit, remember 2 weeks ago, major developments coming out that, Ripple and the SEC has asked the judge to not publish any of the discussions they've had, in the courts. So what could this really mean? Or is that really next up? Is that really next up? Imagine if that happens. I think XRP itself could drive, the altcoin market. I think we could actually see an altcoin season starting just thanks to XRP. And I think that is already what we're seeing happening right now. But let's move forward and really understand what's happening with the price. But let me know your personal thoughts on this. Do you think this order makes sense? Or do you think we're going to maybe see partnerships in terms of big banks coming in first, and then the lawsuit comes to an end? Or do you think it's going to go as planned? But as planned by the XRP guy. Shout out to the XRP guy. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with the price right now, and of course what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. So now looking at the Bitcoin dominance index here, guys, Bitcoin dominance index is still sitting at about 58.77%. Looking at Bitcoin though, Bitcoin is, let's actually give it a refresh live right now, $101,500. It wants to break out right now, but of course, we do have significant amount of resistance. If this resistance is able to break out, things can start moving up quite fast for Bitcoin. And as I've stated before in my H-bar update, I don't expect, this dip to last too long. I just have this gut feeling that, this dip is not going to last too long. But again, obviously time is going to tell as to what really happens. But let's take a closer look at XRP and really understand what's happening with XRP's price right now as we speak on the hourly time frame. So the price of XRP has broken below that key support. I literally discussed this key support with you guys in just the last update a few hours back. I said if this key support does not hold, we could actually make our way down. And right now you are looking at the price of XRP, trying to get back down to $3. And again, that could be a reality. And if this support does not hold, a potential of us even falling down to $2.91 to even potentially filling the wick that we saw just yesterday could still be in play. Yes, it's a big move, but that would require Bitcoin, I think, to drop below 100K. If that happens, yes, there is a chance in the short term for the price of XRP to retest some of these prices, but I do believe that these prices are not going to last too long. Remember, people have already forgotten the fact that we're literally in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level right below the neckline, and if this neckline is able to break out, I think this could really lead the price of XRP to start heading towards all-time highs. Only a few people are understanding this, but once you really realize the importance of this, things make more sense. Yes, people are going to be very quick to pinpoint these moves that's happening right now for the price of XRP, but you don't want to be forgetting, what's happening with the Bitcoin dominance as well as Bitcoin right now. Take a look at the bigger picture. Let's never forget it. Zoom out. Remind yourself how much XRP has gone up over the past few, weeks. Up 450% literally in just a matter of a few weeks. And again, I just want to continuously remind some people because I know a lot of people have forgotten about what has happened with XRP. Here we have it literally. Let's just go back down memory lane here. Back on November, you were sitting at 52 cents. Since then, it is up 480%, and that's after a little bit of a pullback. I'm liking what I'm seeing right now, but of course, short-term volatility, part of the game. Let me know down below what you guys think. I love each and every one of you guys. Cannot thank you guys enough for all your support. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.